This is Matala Beach, pretty popular. A lot of tourist groups come in. It's a pretty cool beach. They have snorkeling, and they have these ancient, I believe they're Roman caves, which you can explore and climb around on. And there's also a little bit of cliff diving, which should be right around the corner on the other side of these caves, which I do want to check out as well. So be here for a few hours, and yeah, it's gonna be good. Here is Matala Beach, and we have cliff jumping here. We have someone in the way. You okay? Good? All right. And running start. Let's go through the whole process. So this is the long way up. This is the long way up, and it's the most direct path, literally straight up this mountainside here. Now, as far as the previous 3 jumps go, I only reached the bottom on the 3rd one, where I let myself sink. So it's safe enough for me. And the other way, while steeper, doesn't have all of this hard sand on the ground, which you gotta watch out for. So that's a watch out. Secondly, last time I jumped, I lost half my snorkel. Fortunately, it's not too deep, and I was able to get it relatively easily. And here we are at the top. Real easy. Not too much below us. There's a little bit of a reef there, which is pretty cool. I'll have to check that out. I went right around it. It's a pretty cool beach. I gotta say, it's got something, a little bit of something for everyone. And GoPro's on. We're good. And there's no one below me, which is nice. There's no one on that side either. That's good. Okay, let's try to keep it level this time. Yeah. Jumped off about 6 times, I think. Done with that, and battery's almost dead, so probably take off soon once I'm done snorkeling. And we'll head over to Lampini. Probably have lunch here first, because there's a lot of restaurants. They're probably overpriced, but they probably have good seafood, so take advantage of that while we're here. All right. What a nice day. And I am glad that I took the mountain off the list of things to do, because that just would have been one thing too many. And it remains an option, but I think I'll pass this time in Crete. Maybe we'll go next time. Alright, we're out of the water and we are hungry. Searching for food on the Matala tourist promenade.